This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. Man, yeah, closing down 2.02%. Really closed that gap on some decent volume as well. I think that we're going to chase that low there. I mean, genuinely, next week, 551. It's not that far to go, especially if you have, another day like this or 2 days and a half of this. So very tough. And of course, you're coming in to, are we coming into? Oh my gosh, it's April already. Yeah, Wednesday is when the tariffs are supposed to hit. So we'll see what happens. It doesn't seem like so much volume that it's like, hey, okay, I think there's still conviction in this move, but, not necessarily, enough to absorb all the energy that could be to the downside. Again, remember, let's look at Tesla. I'm surprised this has done so well right now. That didn't close its gap at all, and you had a lower volume today, probably because there's not a lot of sellers, because most people just bought a ton of it and are going to hold. So we'll see what can essentially create like a sink like that. But oh man, yeah, pretty kind of tough market right now. Palantir off about 4.98% at 85.60. Be interesting if we're seeing, and I'm not super big into chart patterns only because I don't have a lot of experience with them, but I do want to ask Basil. Maybe I'll call him this weekend or talk, on Tuesday with him. Is this something that could be a cup and handle pattern? Because remember, this equity has held extraordinarily well. Seriously, it's extraordinarily impressive. Again, I still believe it is kind of overvalued, on a fundamental basis, but that doesn't always matter in the market, or at least it hasn't historically. And by historically, I mean over the past few years. You have Lunar trading off 2.42%, Planet Labs off 6.99. Let's see it. You're still getting, if we can check out, 10-year now is 4.26 still. You have gold contract finishing up strong 0.8%. Basically making all-time highs right here of 3,124, trading right below that at 3,115. Your miners were off quite a bit today. Let's see what else we got. Silver trading off about 0.84%, and then copper coming off about 0.19%. This tells me that people are, a little bit afraid of the market right now, with gold moving all-time highs. Take care.